I always wanted a baby brother, but never had one. When I found out my sister Kylie was pregnant with a little boy, I could not be more excited. However, Kylie's pregnancy ended after only 24 weeks with the premature birth of my nephew Drake. The first time I saw my nephew, I was mesmerized and scared. As the nurse lifted the cover from the isolette, I could not believe my eyes. Drake was a 1 pound, 4 ounce infant with a skin that looked like that of a baby bird that had just hatched from its egg. His diaper was half his size. Instantly, I began to love Drake even more. Each day presented Drake with a different medical challenge. Breathing and weight gain issues were early concerns. Then the doctors feared Drake would need heart surgery because of a PDA, a hole in the heart. However, that threat passed and he did not have heart surgery. In weeks to come, medical complications increased. Drake would need eye surgery, surgery on the hernias of the groin, and weight gaining problems. However, the main obstacle Drake consequently faced was his breathing. For 75 days, Drake was on a ventilator, then transitioned to CPAP, and he was on nasal cannula oxygen until 15 months old. There were times in the hospital when Drake's breathing monitors would go off so much that I would fear he would not survive. Also, when I held him for the first time, my main concern was messing up his breathing equipment. However, when he was put in my arms, all the worry went away. All I felt was love. Drake came home after 5 months in the hospital. However, he would still face therapy, doctor's visits, and coming off his nasal cannula. But Drake overcame those obstacles too. Today, Drake is a happy 2-year-old who loves playing with Bubbles, Thomas the Train, and watching movies. When I go to visit Drake, I love seeing his head poke out the window with a smile on his face. Drake has not only taught me how to truly love, but how to love myself. He also inspired me to become a neonatal nurse and fight for other babies like him. Anytime that I feel discouraged about my goal, I just look at Drake's picture and that makes me work even harder.